Hello student, myself Neeraj Pandey, and today we discuss the organic compound, and the topic is alcohol, phenol and ether. It is the name of second chapter of organic compound of class 12, but the first topic, which is known as alcohol. Alcohol are those type of compound in which any alkyl group is directly bonded with hydroxyl group, like ROH. The general formula of alcohol is ROH, and you also know the general formula of alcohol is CnH2n plus 1 OH, where CnH2n plus 1 is the formula of alkyl group, from which hydroxyl group is attached. When any hydroxyl group is directly attached with the alkyl group, then it forms alcohol. And actually the definition of alcohol you can explain in different way, like R is equal to alkyl group. If we take first alkyl group like methyl, where OH is directly bonded, then you can say that when any hydroxyl group or alcoholic group is directly bonded with saturated hydrocarbon, then it is known as alcohol. Actually, this saturated hydrocarbon, also have sigma bond, then you can say that when any sigma bonded hydrocarbon directly bonded with OH group, then it is known as alcohol. In other words, you also explain it that in saturated hydrocarbon, the carbon is sp3 hybridized. On the basis of sp3 hybridized carbon, you can say that alcohol are those type of compound in which any OH group directly bonded with sp3 hybridized carbon. On the basis of this, you also can say that there are different type of classification of alcohol is possible. Classification of alcohol. There are different type of alcohol are possible, in which first is monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol are those in which alcoholic group contains only one OH group or only one hydroxyl group or only one alcoholic group, like RCH2OH. This alcohol contains only one OH group in their structure, then it is known as monohydric alcohol. Second is dihydric alcohol. Dihydric alcohol are those in which alcohol contains two hydroxyl group in their structure, like this. Trihydric alcohol is the third classification. Trihydric alcohol. Trihydric alcohol are those in which alcohol contains 3 OH group in their structure like this. And fourth is polyhydric alcohol. Polyhydric alcohol. Okay, polyhydric alcohol are those which contains more than 3 OH group like CH2, CH, CH, CH2. Every carbon contains OH group and this OH group is more than 3. Then it is known as polyhydric alcohol. But the monohydric alcohol, in which only one hydroxyl group is present, are further classified into 3 categories. First is primary monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol. In this types of alcohol, only 1 degree carbon contains OH group. When OH group or hydroxyl group directly bonded with 1 degree carbon, then it is known as primary alcohol or 1 degree alcohol. Second is secondary alcohol. And secondary alcohol are those in which 2 degree carbon directly bonded with OH group. It means that when any alcoholic group directly bonded with 2 degree carbon, then it is known as secondary alcohol or 2 degree alcohol. Okay, and third is tertiary alcohol or 3 degree alcohol. In this types of alcohol, OH group is directly bonded with 3 degree carbon, then it is known as 3 degree alcohol or tertiary alcohol. Okay, I hope you betterly understand what is the classification of compound.